हे गाइस, सो जो मेरी चिकन थी, मतलब नॉट माय पेट, मैं पालता नहीं हूँ, मतलब जो मैं खाता हूँ, वो चिकन ख़त्म हो गई थी. सो वी हैव रीस्टॉक नाउ एंड मैं आप लोग को बताऊँगा. सो दिस चिकन इज़ गोना बी फॉर द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज. सो आई विल बी शोइंग यू इन द नेक्स्ट कट what chicken I eat. Just a regular chicken. There it is, guys. This is the boneless part and ये with bone है. So मैं दोनों को mix करके लेता हूँ. So the good thing is कि it is good for your pocket also. It goes easy on your pocket क्योंकि if you buy only chicken breast it's very expensive and it's tasteless. So it is difficult to stay consistent with just chicken breast. So it's better to take the whole chicken and with some bone pieces, you mix them together, weigh it on the scale and use like put it in a bag and freeze it. So it stays for a few days, or it is good, it is proportionate, so you don't have to weigh every time when you remove it to cook. So that's the profit. That's a good thing. Always mix your chicken. Unless आप स्टेज चढ़ रहे हो, that's a different story. And these are halal cuts, 100% halal cuts, because we know our butcher. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you my recipe. Mostly what I eat, जो chicken gravy होती है, so that is like my favorite, so mostly we cook that only, and it's like a healthy recipe because mostly people get bored of eating the same thing and people don't know कि gravy कैसे बनाए. The preparation I'm going to show you. First is the marination stage. So here we go. There's this chicken. ये approximately half kg. This is half kg chicken. उसके अंदर you have to put a little bit of turmeric, a bit of salt as per your taste, chili powder. It's a very basic marination but it tastes amazing. This is coriander powder, dhania, it is garam masala. It's all as per your taste. आपको कितना strong चाहिए, कितना mild चाहिए and all that. Okay, and then finally goes in the game changer, curd. Trust me guys, this is actually the game changer. एकदम वक्त बदल देता है, जज्बात बदल देते हैं, ज़िंदगी बदल देता है, टेस्ट बदल देता है.
हम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
You know what I mean. Now all you have to do is just mix it well. Alright guys, there it is. It is fully marinated now. मतलब not the marination process, but all the spices and all the mix is done. Now we'll just like put some cling wrap on it and we'll just leave it for half an hour to marinate. Depends, the more you marinate the better it gets. If you are short on time, so 1 hour is more than enough, because trust me, this helps. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, दही is the game changer. Alright guys, this is methi. This is kasuri methi. एंड इसकी जो खुशबू और उसका जो टेस्ट है ना, अगेन वो बहुत खतरनाक ट्विस्ट देता है यार. मतलब इट जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट लुक्स. द अरोमा ऑफ द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इज जस्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल ब्रो. इट्स पैन और उसके अंदर डाला हुआ है घी. दिस इज़ होम मेड घी. दिस इज़ नॉट आउटसाइड घी. दिस इज़ नॉट स्टोर बॉट. घर पे बनाया हुआ है, प्योर मिल्क का. एंड ये है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4 टीस्पून, बिकॉज मैं हाफ kg चिकन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. So if you're using 250 grams and you're using घर का घी, so 2 teaspoons would be more than enough. This is the teaspoon that has been used. Okay, it's a small spoon. Guys, time to add onion. Now we've added onions. Let it cook for a while, like saute, whatever you call it. थोड़ा सा उसको light pink होने देना. And then you add in your tomatoes, be it puree or paste or sliced, diced, whatever it is. Just and remember guys, ये जो हम फिलहाल अनियन को कुक कर रहे हैं, so keep it on full flame. The biggest burner, full flame. So guys, as you can see, this is light pink now. It's not golden brown. Now it's time to add tomatoes. There you go. Stir it well. Let it cook for like 2-3 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. Depends आपको कितना rawness चाहिए, कितना cook चाहिए. Once that is done, you have to add the next step would be to add the marinated chicken. That's not my hand, that's my mom's hand. I don't wear gold bangles. Look at that sizzle. Now you have to just put it to simmer, like on the lowest heat setting पे डाल के उसको छोड़ दो. Saute करो. Saute is the right word. You can see it's not dry because of dahi and all that. You see it becomes juicy. You don't have to add a lot of ghee in it, and that too homemade ghee is any time preferable. It is healthier than anything. So 4 teaspoon in 500 grams, not bad यार. Come on, keep stirring. तो chicken की rawness जो होती है ना when you eat, so and the smell, like it'll be thoroughly cooked. So when you cook anything like meat or egg or whatever it is, make sure कि cook it in open. Don't put the lid first only because जो rawness रहेगी, so it'll just go because of the heat. If it's cooked, it'll go. I can't find the proper word right now, but ठीक है, you all understood. Now you have to introduce water into it. So now this is, as I said, 500 grams chicken. So now you put 500 ml, मतलब आधा किलो चिकन के लिए आधा लीटर पानी. Now what will happen with water is that it will act as gravy also, and it will cook the chicken also. It will make the chicken tender also, so you can eat it with roti. ऐसा नहीं कि dry हो जाएगा. Now that we have added the water, so heat setting को full flame पे रखना है, बड़े burner पे ही रहना है. Full heat पे रख के उसको let the water boil a little bit, like heat up. Once it starts boiling, you reduce the flame to simmer the lowest setting possible, and you add a lid and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how thick you want the gravy to be. So the longer you keep the lid on, the tender the meat will get. The water has come to a boil. It's time to put the lid on and let it cook for 20 minutes. Put the flame the lowest setting possible. Okay. Alright guys, this is almost ready now. You can cook more. I would say you should cook it for like at approximately 27 minutes, 25 to 27 minutes. So there it is guys, that's the final product. Chicken is ready. So we cooked approximately like 30 minutes and this is the result. See the chicken, it's juicy and nice.
What's up guys? So it's been long and I wanted to change my guitar string. What time is it? So I know how to change it. I will show you of course. So these were the guitar strings I was using. These are Diodario super light gauge. It is 0.9 to 0.45. Let's see. These are excellent set of strings. Just that I bought these super light gauge is because the action of the guitar was increasing because I used to not detune every day and retune it every time. So just having to keep it without detuning it every time. What happened was the action changed, the action increased, the distance between the string and the fretboard. People who play guitar, you must be knowing. So I changed onto this one and it was pretty good, but it's a little expensive side. This is how it sounds and I'll be showing you. So this is a small riff from Johnny Cash. The song's name is Home of the Blues. Here it goes. Months that I put this, so now I'll be changing to this one. It's just a regular guitar string, nothing fancy. It is cheap as well. So when I bought the guitar, just few days later I ordered for 3 sets of these strings because it was cheap and I was like, it's good to have guitar strings with you all the time. You never know, one breaks off, then you have to change the whole set. So that's why I bought this one. काफ़ी reasonable है यार. I don't even remember कितना है. So yeah, we'll be changing to this one, and I'll be putting a video as well, and then I'll be posting a after video. Things you're gonna need: a guitar, fresh set of strings, a plier or a pakkad as we call it, a microfiber cloth, a string winder, and confidence. So guys, I know you cannot see my face. That does not mean I don't have a face or a head. Anyway, bad joke. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna start by detuning the guitar. Be very careful guys. Okay, the strings might just poke you. Once the strings are totally loose, you can either just cut it off from the center and remove it from here, or you can just remove these pins and remove it from here like a total string. If you have questions why this guitar winder, string winder is pink, I have questions too, because I had ordered for a black one and this is the one that got delivered. Now I'll just remove these pins. So sometimes these pins get stuck and hence you need this, or there's this wedge over here, you can use it to remove. These are pretty dangerous, so keep it away from children and everyone. Okay, it's very sharp. I'm done removing the strings from the guitar or de-stringing the guitar, whatever you call it. So मैं क्या करता हूँ ना, ये न्यू strings निकाल लूँगा इसमें से, और जो पुराने ख़राब strings है ना, I'll fold it and I'll put it in this so it hurts nobody. And secondly, this is how my guitar looks, or a guitar looks without strings. Now you have a very good reachability, so it is better to clean the guitar at this stage, because then once you put the strings, then again it's going to be, there's going to be some or the other hindrance. तो अभी टाइम है, अभी साफ कर लेते हैं. Alright guys, I would like to say, if you have money, please invest in a good Swiss knife. Trust me, it is so useful. Since the day I got it till date, वो कहीं ना कहीं यूज़ में आती ही है. So it's got a lot of things, and trust me, it is very useful. So I'll try and put all the links possible in the description box. जो भी हो सके, सारी accessories जो भी आपको दिखाया, I'll try and put it in the description box. If you want to go buy it, just click the link. So now we'll be starting with the 6th string, which is the low. Be careful while opening and while handling the string. Okay. If you want, you can wear some safety glasses, because it might just go in your eye, and you can see how sharp it is. I don't know if you can see it properly. So first it just goes over here. Then you put in the pin. Press it. Now the length of the string, it depends. Few people just don't cut it or don't trim it. So now mostly if you want to trim the string, so it should be 1.5. So if it's here, so it should come to here. So now I just put a marking. If you just pinch it, so it just marks itself. You insert it. Now make sure, always remember what side to turn to tune it and what side to turn to detune it. Now is the time that the winder comes in handy. You can see. We'll trim the edges later on. Now it's time for the second string. I mean the fifth string. Alright guys, so this is somewhat the last string. So how I started was from the sixth string, E, A, D, then E, D, G. मतलब 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. It is mostly said to, mostly बोला जाता है कि you should install your strings like that. So I do it that way. I guess it's related to some bridge thing. This is called a bridge, by the way. So because of this, I guess it's said. I don't know the exact reason now. This is the last string that we are installing. Sorry for all the disturbance.
What sorry? What sorry?
बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है, बहुत सारी noises. Alright guys, as you can see, सारे strings change हो चुके हैं. I still have to cut these and properly measure it. Apart from that, I will be showing you how to tune also. So there's an app called Guitar Tuner app, and you'll find it in Play Store and App Store as well. So that will help you. You don't have to carry a tuner, because I was like, there's no point of investing in a tuner if you already have it in your mobile, and it gives pretty accurate results. Yes guys, so there it is. You can see it's set to auto. You can see over here it is set to auto. So any string you play, it's gonna show you how off tune you are, how you can see it's trying to adjust my voice. Yeah, so that is how it helps. And yeah, let's tune the guitar now. So this is called a guitar pick, by the way. This is used to play, or you can play finger style as well. It depends what style you play. I mostly like playing finger style, but sometimes, just sometimes it is good to play with this also. See, it gives that note. Once you tune properly, it gives you that green light and it gives that tone. See. When you play for a long time, I've been playing since 2009, and on off chalta raha hai. But the more you play, the more experience you get. Trust me, at times you don't even need a tuner, but sometimes you do. Just for one string, if you get an E, you can just tune all the other strings without using a tuner. Trust me, you can do that. It's very simple, but just you need experience and time with the guitar. So once you have it, you grow with it. It's not that कि तुम सीख के आ गए, you don't have it, you're not practicing. You need a practicing lesson. You need homework. You need to spend time with the guitar basically. So I'll I'll tune all the strings and then I'll see you. Alright guys, there it is. ये भी clean कर चुका हूँ. It's fully tuned now. Now I'll play the same song, same intro to that song जो मैंने पहले बजाया था. You can listen to it.
Okay guys, so we will conclude the video by the last segment, that is the guitar quiz. So guess which song this is. I mean, this is the most favorite song, you know, people like this song. In fact, they love this song, kids. Alright guys, so if you all know what song that is, please comment. Hope you like the video. If you do like it, please subscribe and share, comment, like, do all of that stuff. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Alright, bye.